Is it just me or am I getting sick of quarantine? I get so mad and bored. But really, I'm tired right now. So, grab a blanket, get relaxed, pause the video if you want. Get all cozy, because you're gonna get part 2 of Dogman read to you. So, yeah. But by the way, guys, why is quarantine so boring? I hate quarantine. It makes me really, really feel sad. It makes me feel like I want to sleep all day. Eat, sleep, repeat. Yeah, so let's start. So the Dogman book, you can go check out the last part that we did. That was part 1. By the way, it's a few days after, so I did not record this immediately. After. So we were right about here. Perfect. I'm even getting relaxed. Just getting perfectly comfy. So I think I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna keep my eye on ya. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Lick. Hold on. Get out of here! Poor Dogman's day had started out badly, but things were about to get worse. Ha ha ha. What's so funny? Today I'm going to destroy Dogman once and for all. How? Tell me, what are all dogs afraid of? Hold on, guys. Okay. Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose that's true. But dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I built this baby last night. Gee, I think firecrackers would have been easier. Who asked you? You did? Slap. By the way, guys, if you haven't checked out Dogman books, they're really fun. You can get them from the library. This has thousands of dollars of latest technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. And it won't... Wait, hold on. Enough with the firecrackers! This is way cooler. And once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman. And it won't stop until he gets sucked up. Ha 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 ha. Yee-haw! Zoom. Oh, Dogman. Wait, guys. Sorry about all the... But first, I will get it positioned like this, so that I can picture my cat while doing it. My body, oh. Wait. Sorry, guys. Wait. I'm sorry. Oh, Dogman. Let's get ready to Roomba. Go on and run. You haven't got a chance. This vacuum has a 600 HP motor and endless power supply. And the bag expands so it can suck up almost anything. When Dogman heard the word almost, he got a good idea. Oh, that's a good switch. If you want to see my cats and you're a favorite cat person, she's just right next to me chilling. Ocean. Gulp. Dude, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. Splash. The vacuum followed Dogman into the sea. Hey, let's get out of this water, okay? I can't swim. Hi, babies. Besides, this vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet. No fair! Dogman dived down. The vacuum started to sucking up the sea. The big vacuum bag got fuller and fuller and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. Gulp. The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or had he? I gotta get out of here before this bag of seawater busts. Wow! Boing, boing. Petey grabbed on with his claws. Luckily, suddenly, the vacuum bag began to rip. Rip, pop. Petey got washed away in the super tidal wave. It looked like this was the end. Hey, you saved me. Wait up, I need to... Okay. Not such a bad guy after all. I've got one word to say to you. Click rats. Flipperama. This one I have to go like this for because it's really fun. But the tidal wave got smaller and smaller until it ended up just at the right spot. Hey cops, Dogman turned Dogman captured Petey. This calls for a celebration. For he's a jolly good doggy. I don't know why I wanted to sing it that way, but well, Dogman, I guess I was wrong about you. Put her there. Look. Hooray for Dogman! We're gonna start a little bit of the next chapter, and then we'll stop there. Chapter 2, Robo Chief. One day, this happened. Ew. Splash. I'm back. Clunk. No, Dogman. No. Stop. Get off. Bad doggy. Bad, bad, bad. Bad Dogman. Why do you always have to do that? We'll read one more page. Chief's office. Who chewed all my dirty tissues? And who ate my slippers? And who peed on my floor? Everybody in my office now! Oh, right, which one of you chewed up my tissues and ate my slippers and peed on my floor? Just as I suspected. Everybody's looking at Dogman. So we're gonna stop here, guys, today. But for all your cat lovers who heard there was a kitty, I'm just giving you a little bit of information about her. She's a sweetheart, that's for sure. She's never bit me. She's never clawed at me. She only hisses a little when I step on her tail, on accident. She's a very old, sweet girl. And yeah, that should wrap it up for today. So yeah, bye guys.